Whew. Oh, hey guys, it's been a little while, huh? Well, anyway, I am back, and I have a clear plan for the channel. I have a bunch of courses on Udemy that are starting to get a little bit older, but they're still useful, and they rated quite well in the past. I'm going to be using this channel as an archive for those Udemy courses. So, the courses will be going up here for free, and over time, I plan to update the old courses on Udemy with new content. And while that's going on, I plan to start posting new content here as well, in addition to those older lessons. Those old courses will still be on Udemy if you need the work files, and those links will be provided in each lesson. The current plan is to post one of these larger lessons from the Udemy courses once a week, and then we'll split up some of those techniques into shorts, which we'll be posting 3 times a week. So again, I'm glad you're still here. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that way you can stay up to date with all this content, and the new content will start releasing next week.